everyone, welcome back to the channel. And it's been a long time. It's been a long time, guys. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to give a review about this product that I purchased. I been using it for my live streaming and for singing and all that. So and of course, guys, this product is not a sponsored. And Mackie. This is the Mackie Profx6V3. Get this opportunity to say thank you to Francis. Thank you so much, Francis Idroso. Francis Idroso. My the one who the one who helped me. Like he was we went live and he did teach me how to put everything. And I also did ask him if the mixer that he's been using, if it's good or like that. So I just had an idea from him, Francis Idroso. Thank you so much, Pope. Thank you. Yeah, and of course I would love to say thank you everyone sa lahat ng mga nag-share ng kanilang blessings, the super chatters, and for those who watch my videos from all over the world. Parang sikat lang, all over the world. Yes, thank you so much. Dahil sa inyo nabili ko to. I bought it from the money that I got from YouTube. And if without you guys I cannot get this thing, because this is for me it's expensive because I'm not getting a lot of money from YouTube. So I was planning to just keep it, like, just save it. But then I realized I have to invest for my live streaming. Yeah, so once again, thank you so much. Hindi ko na isa-isahin pa. You guys know who you are. Sa mga lahat ng mga nanonood ng aking video, maraming salamat sa inyo. Yak na ba? Well, when I purchased this product, I also did send money for my father because that was his birthday, March 7. So it's really it feels good, to share also. And yeah, so I'm still trying to get the best sound of this thing. A review about this product, but yeah, I did not use it for cover yet, but soon I will do. If you guys have any request song, I would love to I would love to do it for you guys. So yeah, I will try to show you guys. I will use my my microphone. I use the dynamic microphone, but most people, they use a condenser mic. But there's a lot of different, different about the dynamic microphone and the condenser mic. So for me, I prefer the dynamic microphone. So I'm going to try out this thing. Two for the microphone, 2 lines for the microphone. And maybe you can, yeah, of course you can use it for other instrument like piano or guitar or like that. So I did use the second. I already tried this, and now so I'm trying this second line. There is a main outs over there. I have no idea what's that thing there yet. I did not figure it out yet. I put it in 0, so let me try to put this into. I can clearly hear myself right now, so so I put the gain right there, this middle. So I'm gonna try to put the this EQ to the highest, like high. This is low, this is high. So if I put it like full, you can hear buzzing, right? Like there is a noise. Yeah, so that's like that. But yeah, I just decided to just put the gain like that, and this one is like that, so you can clearly hear me.
And okay, guys, let me talk about this thing here. This one here is like not the same as the other mixer that you can see the RCA. This one they call it like RCA. This one is different. You have to get an adapter for that thing right there. Let me show you. Yeah, because it's different. It's like the thing like this. I show you. You have to get this one there for that. It's like adapter or something. And then people are using a this one is the connection for that. They're using a only two line like RC I call it RCC RSST. I'm not sure or TRRS. I have no idea what they call it, but this one must be three line so you can hear the music and of course the phone that what I'm not done talking about this thing here right here. So this is the third line, 3 and 4 line. So this one I'm using it when I want to hear the music, like the volume of the music. This one it depends if what kind of a laptop or PC you're using. You can choose the 3, 4, or the 5, 6. You can control the volume there for the music. This is all for the music right here. And then this is the phone, the other line. Your headset, you have to plug in. You have to put your headset over there. And usually the headset is like the normal headset, but you have to get the adapter for that because it's the same. All the thing here is like like I have no idea what they call it, but anyway, we have 24 FX here, like 24. I'll show you, so you have idea. All right. So and this one is for the effect here, FX to main. So um, here this one you just have to if you want to choose a effect, so you just have to like do that. So I tried the effect right here. If you what was the effect that I was amazed. Okay, do that and then push it so you sit good to go. And of course you have to press the I'm using the second, so you have to press it so you have the effect from this all effect here. And then this one here, like I you have to set it. Okay, so set it, and then this is like the main FX here. If you I push it down, this one, you can see the light have red light. So if I push it like turn off, or I mean turn on, this is turn on because it's the light is in there. So when you turn it off, you can hear the effect. Okay, let's try. Hey, hey, sound check. Hey, right? It's kind of cute. I mean, it's fun. 21. All right. So I'm just using the one. Yeah, this is I usually use for when I sing, and then it's up to you the effect like that. So yeah, like that. So turn it off. There you go. We're back. So that's the thing here and there, and this is the main level of the everything, like all in all here. This is the main. So and of course we have this. If you do this break here, mute all the channels. So when you press that, everything is shut down. Like you can't hear anything. It's like there is a power in there. Of course, that's the USB. That's the power, of course, and you have this switch off on. And the good thing about this USB is, you have this thing here. So if you press that, this one 48V, that thing there. If you're using a condenser mic, you have to push that down because if you don't, you cannot use the condenser mic. So that's the good thing about this. You can also use a condenser mic with this one. So I'm using a dynamic microphone, so that's why I did not press this button. So that's the good thing about this Pro FX. So I'm loving it, guys. So yeah, I think I show you. I give.
For me, this is perfect. I'm giving it 10 and I am so loving it. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and thank you so much in advance. And once again, thank you everyone, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Ciao.